In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch a professional account or a creator account back to personal on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then tap right here to head over to your Instagram profile, and after that tap at these three lines at the top right corner and then select Settings and Privacy. Once it is done, if you scroll down a bit, that's where you can easily find Creator Tools and Controls if your account is currently a creator account. If your account is a business account, it will say something like Business Tools and Controls. You can easily find this feature right over here, and then you need just tap on it. Scroll down to the very bottom and tap at Switch Account Type. That's where you can easily find Switch to Personal Account at the very top, and then we just need to tap on it and then select Switch to Personal Account. That's how we can easily switch back our Instagram account to personal from a business account or from a creator account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.